Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, the time on a clock is 1 o'clock. So, how many right angles the hour and minute hands has to travel for the clock to show 7 o'clock? Now, as we know that for every 1 hour, the hour hand and the minute hand makes right angle at 2 times. Right angle at 2 times. But at the interval 2 o'clock, to 3 o'clock and 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock, the hour hand and the minute hand makes right angle at 1 time. Makes right angle at 1 time. Okay. Now here we have to find how many times both the hands, means hour hand and minute hand, make an angle of 90 degree from 1 o'clock to 7 o'clock. So, from 1 o'clock to 7 o'clock, we can find the number of right angle, means number of right angles in between the hour hand and minute hands. From 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock, right angles are 2 times. Okay. From 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock, there is a 1 time right angle. From 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock, it makes 2 times right angle. Then from 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock, it makes 2 times right angle. And from 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock, it makes 2 times right angle. And then from 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock, the hour hand and minute hand makes right angle 2 times. Okay. Hence, the hour hand and the minute hand have to travel total, that is 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. That is 11 right angles from 1 o'clock to 7 o'clock. Okay. So our correct option is option D.